What's going on, Odooers? When it comes to subscriptions, you know my fitness center Healthy Dude loves to make sure that our members are being taken care of. But we also know that our members are strong, independent customers who don't always need our staff to hold their hand through every step of the process. That's why I love the Odoo subscription app, which allows us to configure self-service options for our customer subscriptions. Self-service not only empowers my customers to take charge of their subscriptions and tailor fit their needs, it also allows this part of my business to fully run itself. So let's see how we can set up self-service subscriptions so our healthy dudes can get swole on their own. All right, as per usual, we're getting started on the Healthy Dude subscriptions dashboard. To enable the self-service option in our subscriptions app, all we have to do is head to the configuration menu at the top and select reoccurring plans. From here, we have an overview of the different recurring plans here at Healthy Dude. At the moment, we have our monthly and yearly subscription plans. Let's start by clicking into our monthly reoccurring plan. Here we have a whole page of different configurations for the monthly recurring plans. If you remember our subscriptions basics and product videos, this is where we can really get into the details of invoicing, billing periods, and more on our recurring plans. Feel free to check out the link below if you need a refresher. Starting off in the pricing tab here, we have a list of all the subscription products that use this recurring plan. Remember that our subscriptions can have options on which recurring plan that the customer can use. For example, diamond memberships can either be monthly or yearly, and we can set the respective recurring prices here on the recurring price on the right. In the self-service section here at the top, as you may have guessed, we have a few different configuration options that allow members to manage their subscriptions on their own. Starting off with closable, if we tick this allows customers to close out their subscriptions rather than having to go through a salesperson or a manager. Checking this box reveals a couple of different options here on the right. At first, at date means that the customer can end their subscription on any chosen date. If we switch this to end of period, this means customers can only end their subscription at the end of the subscription period. Under that, we have add products. This allows customers to upsell their own subscriptions when they add their cart on our website, but only with products that are configured as an optional product on the subscription product page. Below that, we have renew. Ticking that allows a customer to create their own renewal quote for their existing subscription without having to get one from a salesperson. And lastly, we have optional plans. This allows customers to move from their current recurring plan to a new one. Let's allow monthly users to switch to yearly plans. And just by adding the yearly plan there, they're able to do that completely on their own. Right now, Healthy Dude only offers monthly and yearly plans, but if we add multiple other plans, we can also add them on the optional plans line here. So now that I've configured some options for our monthly recurring plan, I can quickly navigate to the next steps in this workflow through the smart buttons here at the top. If we click on subscription items, this refers to specific subscription products that are on current subscriptions and using the monthly recurring plan. While subscriptions refers to the active sales orders and active subscriptions using the monthly recurring plans. Now, if we go back through the breadcrumbs and click on the subscription smart button, this gives us a view of the ongoing subscriptions that we have under this plan. From here, we have an overview of all the monthly subscriptions. So let's click into a subscription here, like Gene, for example. When we click into that, this takes us to their current subscription sales order. If we click on the order lines here, we can easily see that Gene is a part of our Diamond membership. It goes without saying that we have great customer service here at Healthy Dude, but what if Gene wanted to change their subscription on their own? See what that looks like from their point of view, we just have to scroll up and click on the preview button. This takes us to a preview of the customer portal, which is great for allowing customers to pay for products and services from the comfort of their own computer. Because we've configured self-service options on the back end, Healthy Dude members can do much more. The renew button here would allow Gene to renew their Diamond membership for the next month. And here, they can confirm this by clicking renew and then just accept and sign. We want to check other self-service options though, so we'll go back to your subscription. And now if Gene wanted to close their subscription for whatever reason, all they'd have to do is click close subscription, and then this pop-up appears, which reminds the customer of when their current subscription ends. and prompts them to give a reason for why they're leaving. If you remember from our previous subscription tutorials video, the lost reasons are pre-configured on the back end. However, if the customer has a reason that's not listed here, they can select other. But let's say Gene just had a change of heart and wants to change and not close their subscription. In that case, we're going to click discard, I want to stay. And they think that the monthly diamond membership is great, but the yearly diamond membership really takes it to the next level. To upgrade, all Gene would need to do is click the change plan button to take us to a familiar confirmation page. But first, we have a prompt in this window here where they can go ahead and click on the drop-down menu to see what other subscriptions they can choose from. So here, we're going to switch this to yearly and then click submit. From the confirmation page, all they'd have to do is click accept and sign, which would then bring them to the signature validation page where they can either auto-load or draw their signature. This looks good though, so we're just going to click accept and sign. And that confirms our order. Gene's subscription is now upgraded, and they are a yearly subscriber of Healthy Dude. And there you have it, Odooers. The subscriptions app makes it so easy to manage our recurring customers, and with the handy self-service configuration, our customers can manage their own subscriptions whenever they want. This means I can continue innovating and thinking of the best way to grow my business while my customers continue using our service in the best way that serves their needs. That's all for today, but I'll catch you in the next video.